Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, as shown in the diagram, an experimental Fresnel lens. I couldn't draw it. It is very difficult to draw the same diagram. You should follow the figure. For the calculation purpose, only we will draw the geometrical figure, but wherever it is required. But I am reading the question for you. You should follow it along with the diagram. An experimental Fresnel lens solar energy concentrated can rotate about the horizontal axis AB, which passes through its center of mass G. It is supported at A and B by the steam framework, which can rotate about the vertical axis by concentrator having a mass 30 megagram, radius of gyration 12 meter about axis of symmetry of CD. You see the figure CD, and radius of gyration 10 meter about any transverse axis passing through G. If angular velocity omega 1 and omega 2 have constant magnitude 0.2 radian per second and 0.25 radian per second respectively, we have to determine the position theta is equal to 60. Part A, force exerted on the concentrated A and B, and couple applied to the concentrated at that instant. Let us start solving it. Assuming y-axis be vertical and y-dash axis be symmetrical axis. Here is the diagram. This is the vertical axis. This is y dash. This is x axis. This is x dash. Z be the axis directed along. Let z axis is directed along VA, and x dash be the transverse axis perpendicular to BA. Here beta will be 90 minus theta. I dash can be written as I cos of beta minus J sin of beta. This is your I dash. J dash I sin of beta plus J cos of beta. I is equal to I dash cos of beta plus J dash sin of beta plus J is equal to minus I dash sin of beta J cos of beta. So all these are the unit vectors. Angular velocity omega can be written as omega 2 j cap, omega 1 k cap, omega 2 sine of beta I dash cos of beta j dash plus omega 1 k. So it can be written as minus omega 2 sine of beta is 90 minus theta I dash so it could be written as minus omega 2 sine of theta I dash omega 2 sine of theta j dash say equation 1. Omega 1 is defined as rate of change of angular displacement d theta upon d. So theta 1 equal to omega 1 and omega 1 and omega 2 are constant. Omega dot x will be sine of theta dot is 0. Now radius of gyration kx dash is given 10 meter, ky dash is given 12 meter, kz is given 10 meter. So moment of inertia I is equal to m k square angular momentum about point G I x dash omega x dash I cap I by omega by dash j cap I z omega z k cap. Substitute the value. So angular momentum about the centroid G, you can write m into 10 ka square omega x dash I dash m 12 का स्क्वायर ओमेगा y डैश z डैश m 10 का स्क्वायर omega z k. M you can take common. It can be written as omega 1 cos theta I dash 144 omega 2 sin of theta j dash 100 omega 1 k cap. Here mass is given 30,000. We will substitute later on. Say this is equation 1. M is acceleration of center of mass is 0 because it lies at the axis of rotation. Angular velocity of a reference frame g x dash y dash z omega is equal to, now substitute the value here. So rate of change of angular momentum about center of mass can be written as s dot g x dash y dash z dash plus omega cross hg. Here rate of change of angular momentum in the reference frame x dash y dash z is I x dash omega x dash I cap I y dash omega y dash z dash plus I z omega z k cap. Now substitute the value. Moment of inertia m into 10 का square omega 1 omega 2 sin of theta I dash plus m into 12 का square omega 2 omega 1 sin of theta. Sorry, here it would be a cos of theta z dash plus 0 M you can take common, 100 into 0.25 omega 1 omega 2 0.2 sine of 60 I dash plus M 144 omega 25 omega 20 cos 60 J dash. So on solving it, its value will be 4.3300.01 I dash J dash Newton into meter. Equation number 2. Now we can find the value of omega cross Hg. Omega is minus omega t cos of theta I dash omega 2 sine of theta J dash plus omega 1 k cap cross minus 100 m omega 2 cos theta I dash plus 144 m omega 2 sine of theta J dash plus 100 m omega 1 k cap. On taking the cross product and simplifying, omega cross Hg having the value m minus 1.9053 I dash plus 1.1908 k. So rate of change of angular moment of the system about the centroid, by putting the value 2 and 3 in this formula, you will get m into 2.4248 I cap plus I dash 3.6 J dash minus 1.1908 K plus now substitute the value of m, I dash and J dash. In the above equation, substituting the value of m, I dash and J dash, you may write m dash 30,000 4248. I dash can be written as I cos 30 J sin 30 plus 3.6 J dash. Now we will substitute the value of J dash. I sin 30 J cos 30 minus 1.1908 K cap. On solving it, This can be written as 117 into 10 to the power 3 I cap 57.158 10 to the power 3 J cap minus 35.724 10 to the power 3 K cap Newton into meter. Now we have to draw the free body diagram of AV axis. You can see here this is G. Now we are drawing the geometrical diagram, free body diagram showing all the forces acting on AV. G, this is A, this is B. AY, AX, weight, BX, BY. Weight will be mgj cap, that is minus 30 into 10 to the power 3 into 9.81 j cap. So it can be written as minus 294.3 into 10 to the power 3 Newton j cap. Now we write equation of moment about the V point couple will be RAV vector cross AX I cap plus AY j cap plus RGV vector cross W plus M2K cap is equal to rate of change of angular momentum about the centroid. Now substitute the value R 32K cap cross AX I cap plus AY j cap plus RGB 16K cap. You have to follow the figure to write all these values. 294.3 10 to the power 3 j cap plus M2 k cap. Taking the cross product of the left hand side and simplifying, you may write minus 32 by plus 4.7088 10 to the power 6 I cap plus 32 AX j cap plus M2 k cap is equal to rate of change of angular momentum. and rate of change of angular momentum already we have calculated. So we can write minus 32 ay plus 47088 10 to the power 6 I cap plus 32 ax j cap plus m2 k cap is equal to minus 35.724 10 to the power 3 k cap. By solving this equation for components I, j, k, you may write ay to be equal to 4.7088 10 to the power 6 upon 32. So this value you will get 143.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Its y component will be 0. J component, just a moment please. 32 ax, just a moment please. Here one term I am missing here. It will be minus, just a moment, is equal to 0. That is ax is equal to 0 and m2 will be minus 35.724 into 10 to the power 3 Newton meter. So finally we can write A will be 143.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton J cap. M is equal to minus 35.7 into 10 to the power Newton meter K cap, and V summation of force must be 0. So A vector plus B vector plus W is equal to 0. So from here we can write W minus A cap. So B vector you may write W is 150.8 10 to the power 3 minus 143.5 10 to the power 3 J cap. So this is the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching it.